Hello, my name is Anthony, and today I'll be providing you a quick tutorial on how to use the RemoveFieldEdgePoint tool located within the Agricultural Extension Toolbox from WhiteboxTools Spatial. When working with yield data, it is common that erroneous values occur at the field's edge boundaries. These can be a result of many factors, such as the changing velocity of the tractor, the positioning of the combine, and much more. It is a common practice to remove these field edge bound points before continuing analysis. There are many techniques and ways to do this. Two common ones being actually manually selecting the values and removing them, and the other being, using some sort of Excel spreadsheet to highlight these values. As you can see, this is a corn field data set that is located in Ontario, Canada, and it shows yield values. Red depicts low yield values and blue depicts higher yield values. You can see that a lot of these low yield values occur at the field edges. Now, it is possible that all of these field edge points are erroneous, and when continuing, doing an analysis, you may want to remove these points. So we have gone ahead and created a quick and easy tool called the RemoveFieldEdgePoints tool that will do this for you. So let's actually go ahead and load that tool in Whitebox Runner, and I'll show you how to quickly parameterize that tool so you can actually remove the field edge points. So in Runner, you can search for the tool in two ways, one being the search bar, or the other being locating it within its actual toolbox. The RemoveFieldEdgePoint tool is located within the Precision Agricultural Toolbox, and as you can see, it is in alphabetical order and is right there. So the first parameter it asks for is the input points. So I'm going to go ahead and input the yield points. I'm going to just name the output as removed.shape. And the first parameter it asks for is average distance between paths. So we can go ahead and get that value fairly easily in QGIS using the measure tool. So I'm just going to go ahead and zoom into some points and try to get a value. Oops. Wrong button. 6.3, 5.8, 6.1. Just going to go ahead and use a value of 6 just for round number's sake. The next parameter is max change in heading degrees. I'm just going to go ahead and leave that as 25 just for the duration of this video. If you have a specific value, you can go ahead and enter that at this time. The next parameter is an interesting parameter called don't remove edge points or just flag them. So if you just want to actually highlight the points, maybe not remove them, if you want to do further investigation yourself, you could go ahead and make this parameter true, and the tool will spit out the output edge points that are highlighted but not removed. But for this analysis and for this tutorial, I actually want to just get rid of them fully. So I'm going to go ahead and run this tool as is now. The tool does output fairly quickly. It performs a couple of looking for the exterior points, and then it actually has to write the file. It normally takes under 2 seconds, 1.1 seconds to be exact. So let's go ahead and actually view this output. So let's actually change the symbology back to one single symbol so it's easier to view, and red is fine. So as you can see, this is the raw yield value as is with the edge points. So let's go ahead and add the removed points now. That's not really the best color to show, so let's go ahead and change it to green. Okay. So now you'll see that the edge points, which are highlighted in red, exist within the raw data set, but are removed in the removed data set, which is the output from the removed field edge points. This tool does a really good job actually to remove the field edge points, and although there are maybe a couple that do remain, further parameterization could help to remove that. So as you can see, this tool does the job of actually quickly removing the edge points so you can continue the analysis without them. Also, you don't have to remove them. You could just highlight them and then further investigate yourself by keeping that parameter, don't remove edge points, just flag them as true. So that concludes this video. I just wanted to say thanks for watching, and if you had any questions, please feel free to comment down below.